Kingdom Protista. Dinoflagellates. Introduction. They forms main components of phytoplanktons. Dinoflagellates are placed in division Pyrophyta and class Dinophyceae. Dinoflagellates are protists having two flagella and called as golden brown photosynthetic protists, which can also show different colors like red, yellow, blue, etc. based on pigments present in the cell. Dinoflagellates. Introduction. Dinoflagellates also emit light during night, thus called as fire algae or night light. Due to ability of emitting light with the help of luciferin pigment and oxygen, they glow during night. Dinoflagellates. Structure. Dinoflagellates are unicellular, eukaryotic, biflagellated, holophytic, that is photosynthetic protist. Few dinoflagellates are non-flagellated, amoeboid, palmelloid or filamentous in nature. Palmelloid represents fixed number of unicellular dinoflagellates living together in a colony under common gelatinous covering. Dinoflagellates. Structure. Mostly dinoflagellates live in marine water, few live in fresh water. Cell of dinoflagellates is covered by articulated and sculptured plates of cellulose and pectin called as lorica or theca. Covering of lorica appears like an armor, thus dinoflagellates are also called as armored protist. Dinoflagellates. Structure. In dinoflagellates cell at two places, lorica or theca is absent, called grooves. Transverse groove is called as cingulum or annulus or girdle. Longitudinal groove is called as sulcus. Arising from deep inside transverse groove, there is flat ribbon-like flagellum, and from deep inside longitudinal groove, long, narrow, smooth flagellum develops. Dinoflagellates. Structure. In dinoflagellates, heteropont flagellation is present as there are two structurally different flagella. Locomotion. Beating of longitudinal flagellum results in upward movement, and beating of transverse flagellum results in forward movement. As both flagella beat together, this results in top-like or lattu-like spinning type movement. Thus, dinoflagellates also called whirling whips. Dinoflagellates. Vacuole. In dinoflagellates, non-contractile vacuoles are found called as pusule, which help in floating and osmoregulation. Pigments. Dinoflagellates have chlorophyll A and C pigments, alpha and beta carotene, xanthophyll like pyridinine. Pigments are present over chromatophores. Chloroplasts are also found, which is three-layered. Stored food. Carbohydrate in the form of starch, oil, etc. Dinoflagellates. Asexual reproduction. It occurs mainly through binary fission. Sexual reproduction mainly occurs by isogamy and anisogamy. Dinoflagellates can be haploid or diploid. Haploid dinoflagellates, for example, Serratium gymnodium, perform zygotic meiosis, and diploid dinoflagellates, for example, Noctiluca, perform gametic meiosis. Dinoflagellates. Dinoflagellates represent mesokaryotic cell. They have comparatively large nucleus containing chromosomes in condensed form. Chromosomes lack histone proteins and RNA. During cell division, nuclear membrane remain intact throughout division. Thus, dinoflagellates, that is mesokaryotic cells, fall in between prokaryotic and eukaryotic cells. Dinoflagellates. Few marine dinoflagellates show bioluminescence, that is emission of light. Thus, dinoflagellates are also called as fire algae or night light. Bioluminescence activity of dinoflagellates results in glow of ocean. For example, NPP, Noctiluca pyrocystis, pyrodinium. Dinoflagellates. Excess multiplication or overgrowth of few marine dinoflagellates give red color to the ocean, which is called as red tide. For example, Goniolax and Gymnodinium. Goniolax catenella and Gymnodinium produce a toxic material called saxitoxin. Marine shellfish, that is mussel, engulf excess of dinoflagellates, which in turn eaten by human. Saxitoxin does not affect shellfish, rather in human it causes PSP, that is paralytic shellfish poisoning, which is fatal to human. Dinoflagellates. Few dinoflagellates also have offense and defense structure in the form of nematocyst and nidoblast, as found in phylum Coelenterata. Few members of dinoflagellates are saprophytes and parasites also.